2025 to 2030, AI-powered diagnostics and personalized medicine. In the late 2020s, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into healthcare systems reaches a critical milestone. AI-driven diagnostic tools, which had begun to emerge in the early 2020s, become highly sophisticated and widely adopted. These tools analyze vast amounts of patient data, from genetic information to medical histories and lifestyle factors, to provide accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. The era of personalized medicine begins to flourish. Genomic sequencing becomes routine for all newborns, allowing for early detection of genetic disorders and predispositions to various diseases. With this information, doctors can tailor preventative measures and treatments to the individual, significantly improving health outcomes. AI algorithms also aid in identifying potential pandemics by monitoring global health data, enabling quicker and more effective responses to infectious disease outbreaks. 2030 to 2035, advanced telemedicine and remote monitoring. By the early 2030s, telemedicine evolves into a comprehensive, interactive healthcare experience. High-speed internet and advanced communication technologies make it possible for patients to have real-time consultations with specialists from around the world. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies enhance these consultations, allowing doctors to conduct detailed examinations remotely. Remote monitoring becomes a standard aspect of chronic disease management. Wearable devices continuously track vital signs and other health metrics, sending data to healthcare providers who can intervene if they detect any anomalies. This approach not only improves patient outcomes but also reduces the burden on healthcare facilities. 2035 to 2040, regenerative medicine and bioprinting. Regenerative medicine takes a significant leap forward with the widespread use of stem cell therapies and bioprinting. Researchers develop methods to regenerate damaged tissues and organs, effectively curing conditions that were previously untreatable. Bioprinting, the process of creating tissue and organ structures using 3D printing technologies, becomes a routine practice in hospitals. This technology allows for the creation of customized implants and grafts that perfectly match the patient's anatomy, reducing the risk of rejection and improving surgical outcomes. 2040 to 2045, nanomedicine and targeted drug delivery. Nanotechnology revolutionizes drug delivery systems. Nanomedicine involves the use of nanoparticles to deliver drugs directly to diseased cells, minimizing side effects and improving the efficacy of treatments. This technology proves particularly effective in cancer treatment, where it allows for precise targeting of tumor cells without harming healthy tissues. Nanobots, tiny robotic devices, begin to be used for surgical procedures and diagnostics. These nanobots can perform intricate surgeries at the cellular level, repair damaged tissues, and even identify and destroy cancer cells within the body. 2045 to 2050, integration of robotics in surgery and rehabilitation. Robotic-assisted surgery, which had already been making strides, becomes the norm by the mid-2040s. Advanced robots with AI capabilities assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with unparalleled precision. These robots can make real-time adjustments based on the patient's condition, reducing the risk of complications and speeding up recovery times. In rehabilitation, exoskeletons and robotic limbs help patients regain mobility and strength after injuries or surgeries. These devices are controlled by the patient's own neural signals, providing a more natural and effective rehabilitation process. 2050 to 2055, eradication of infectious diseases. By the early 2050s, the global health community achieved significant milestones in eradicating several infectious diseases. Advances in vaccine technology, public health initiatives, and global cooperation lead to the eradication of diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV/AIDS. Genetic engineering and CRISPR technology play crucial roles in this achievement. Scientists develop genetically modified mosquitoes that cannot transmit malaria, and CRISPR-based therapies effectively cure viral infections that were once considered incurable. 2055 to 2060, enhanced mental health treatments. Mental health treatment undergoes a transformation with the development of advanced neurotechnology. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and neurostimulation devices provide new ways to treat mental health disorders. These technologies can modulate brain activity to alleviate symptoms of depression, anxiety, PTSD, and other conditions. AI-driven mental health platforms offer personalized therapy and support, using data from the patient's digital interactions and physiological responses to tailor interventions. This approach makes mental health care more accessible and effective for millions of people worldwide. 2060 to 2065, Aging and Longevity Research. Research into aging and longevity reaches new heights, with scientists identifying key mechanisms that drive the aging process. Interventions that slow or even reverse aging become available, extending healthy human lifespan significantly. Senolytic drugs, which target and eliminate senescent cells, cells that contribute to aging and age-related diseases, become widely used. Additionally, advancements in gene therapy and regenerative medicine allow for the repair and rejuvenation of aging tissues and organs. 2065 to 2070, Universal Health Coverage and Equity. By the late 2060s, universal health coverage becomes a reality in most parts of the world. Advances in technology, efficient healthcare delivery systems, and international cooperation make high-quality healthcare accessible to all. Health equity initiatives address social determinants of health, ensuring that people from all backgrounds have the resources and opportunities to achieve optimal health. Community health programs, preventive care, and health education become integral parts of healthcare systems, reducing disparities and improving population health. 2070 to 2075, Artificial Intelligence in Drug Discovery. AI revolutionizes the field of drug discovery, drastically reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new medications to market. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets to identify potential drug candidates, predict their efficacy and safety, and optimize their chemical structures. This approach leads to the rapid development of treatments for diseases that were previously considered untreatable. Personalized medicine reaches new heights, with AI-designed drugs tailored to an individual's genetic makeup and specific health conditions. 2075 to 2080, Environmental Health and Sustainability. The connection between environmental health and human health becomes a central focus in the late 21st century. Efforts to combat climate change and pollution lead to significant improvements in public health. Green healthcare facilities, powered by renewable energy and built with sustainable materials, become the standard. These facilities not only reduce the environmental impact of healthcare but also provide healthier environments for patients and staff. 2080 to 2085, Neural Augmentation and Cognitive Enhancement. Neural augmentation technology, initially developed for medical purposes, becomes mainstream. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, allow individuals to enhance their cognitive abilities, improving memory, learning, and problem-solving skills. These technologies also enable seamless interaction with digital devices and the Internet, creating a new era of human-computer symbiosis. Ethical considerations and regulations ensure that neural augmentation is used responsibly and equitably. 2085 to 2090, Quantum Computing in Healthcare. Quantum computing, which had been in development for decades, finally realizes its potential in the healthcare sector. Quantum computers solve complex biological problems that were previously intractable, leading to breakthroughs in understanding diseases and developing new treatments. These powerful computers analyze genetic data, protein structures, and cellular processes with unprecedented speed and accuracy, accelerating the pace of medical research and innovation. 2090 to 2095, Space Medicine and Extraterrestrial Health. As humanity begins to establish colonies on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, space medicine becomes a crucial field of study. Researchers develop ways to address the unique health challenges posed by long-duration space travel, such as bone density loss, muscle atrophy, and radiation exposure. Medical facilities on space stations and planetary colonies are equipped with advanced technologies for remote diagnosis, treatment, and surgery. telemedicine and robotic surgery play vital roles in maintaining the health of space explorers. 2095 to 2100, convergence of biotechnology and artificial life. Biotechnology and synthetic biology reach a point where creating artificial life forms becomes feasible. Scientists design and engineer synthetic organisms with specific functions, such as producing pharmaceuticals, cleaning up environmental pollutants, and even assisting in medical treatments. These advancements open up new possibilities for regenerative medicine, organ transplantation, and the treatment of genetic disorders. Ethical frameworks and regulations ensure the responsible use of these powerful technologies. 2100 to 2105, digital immortality and consciousness transfer. The concept of digital immortality, once a topic of science fiction, begins to take shape in the early 22nd century. Advances in neuroscience, AI, and data storage make it possible to upload and preserve human consciousness. Although this technology is in its infancy, initial experiments involve transferring the consciousness of terminally ill patients into digital environments where they can continue to interact with loved ones and experience a form of continued existence. Ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of consciousness and identity arise, driving ongoing debates and research. 2105 to 2110, global health governance and disease prevention. A unified global health governance system emerges, coordinating efforts to prevent and respond to health crises. This system leverages advanced data analytics, AI, and international cooperation to monitor health trends, predict outbreaks, and implement preventive measures. Global vaccination campaigns, health education programs, and robust healthcare infrastructure lead to a significant decline in preventable diseases. The focus shifts from treatment to prevention, with an emphasis on maintaining health and well-being throughout life. 2110 to 2115, human enhancement and ethical considerations. The boundaries between healthcare and human enhancement continue to blur. Genetic engineering, neural augmentation, and advanced prosthetics offer unprecedented opportunities to enhance physical and cognitive abilities. Society grapples with the ethical implications of these enhancements. Debates intensify over issues such as genetic inequality, the right to enhancement, and the potential for exacerbating social disparities. International treaties and ethical guidelines are established to regulate the use of enhancement technologies, balancing innovation with ethical considerations and ensuring equitable access for all. 2115 to 2120, planetary health and interstellar medicine. With humanity expanding beyond the solar system, the concept of planetary health evolves to encompass the health of entire planets and ecosystems. Interstellar medicine becomes a burgeoning field, addressing the health challenges faced by populations living on distant exoplanets and space habitats. Medical technologies adapted for extreme environments, such as advanced life support systems, closed-loop ecosystems, and genetic adaptations to low-gravity environments, are developed. The interdisciplinary approach of planetary health integrates environmental science, medicine, and sustainability to ensure the health and well-being of interplanetary civilizations. 2120 to 2125, artificial general intelligence in healthcare. By the mid-22nd century, artificial general intelligence, AGI, becomes a reality. AGI systems possess human-level cognitive abilities and are capable of performing a wide range of intellectual tasks, including medical diagnosis, treatment planning, and scientific research. AGI revolutionizes healthcare by synthesizing vast amounts of medical knowledge, patient data, and research findings to deliver personalized, evidence-based care. These systems collaborate with human healthcare providers, offering insights and recommendations that enhance clinical decision-making and improve patient outcomes. Ethical frameworks and regulations evolve to govern the use of AGI in healthcare, addressing concerns about patient privacy, autonomy, and the impact on healthcare professions. Collaborative efforts between AI researchers, healthcare providers, and policymakers ensure that AGI contributes positively to the advancement of global health.